Stop trading time for money. Create wealth while you sleep. Let's build your legacy together. Imagine waking up to payment notifications on your phone. Money rolling in while you sleep. Sounds unreal? Thousands are doing it with digital strategies. But it's not just about money, it's about a legacy, a financial empire securing your family's future for generations. No special skills needed, just 2 hours a day and a willingness to learn. The digital economy is booming, and we've cracked the code to sustainable wealth. Picture this, your kids and grandkids never worrying about money. Traveling the world, pursuing passions, all while your business runs itself. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven system for automated income. Thousands have succeeded with us. Now it's your turn. Want to get started? Comment legacy below. We'll reach out with all the details. Remember, your legacy starts now. Don't wait, let's build it together. This is Willie Ford from Platinum Business Hub. Let's create that lasting legacy.